The upper unit of this gorgeous triplex. This is where the kitchen's gonna go. There's gonna be a feature wall here, a brick wall. Look at these ceilings. Exposed ductwork. This is the bathroom in there with a skylight right above the shower. An office so people can work from home. A large second bedroom and an even larger master bedroom with views that just look amazing. In the summer, you get this lush tree look. In the winter, you get this views of the skyline. So triplexes in the area still work very well. And if you want it done right, you have to get the right team to brainstorm ideas. So we just finished up our meeting here with a designer, the owners, myself. We're working with the architect to get everything that we need to know to make this place as practical, as functional, and as desirable as possible. All right, that's how it's done, folks. Have a good day, stay safe, and stay well.